kind of thoughts she has described in the poem My Mother at 66 also. Now, let us move on towards the poem. When I say that my mother at 66, that means, what does it shows? As you can say, it is written, aging is a natural process. Have you ever thought what our elderly parents expect from us? That means this particular line is making it very clear that the poem is going to talk about age, as the age of the mother has been defined and described in the title of the poem itself. And second is that it talks about that how our parents react to it, what are our duties towards them, and what are the expectations of our parents from this. Now, I am going to define you this picture. There is a beautiful picture. A mother standing, waving her hands towards her daughter who is ready to fly, as you can also see the aeroplane into the picture. Now, let us talk about the poem. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother besides me. Who is talking? Who is narrating? The poet. And the poetess Kamala Das. She is the daughter in the poem. When she is saying that my mother has reached up to the age of 66, how does she realize it? And what are we going to find in the poem about it? She says that driving from my parents' home, that means the poet is going back from her parents' home. Maybe she has come to meet her parents for some time. Maybe she has come to spend her some holidays. Maybe due to her own necessities of life, she had to go, but she is going back from her parents' home. She says that while driving back from my parents' home to Cochin, where is she going? To the Cochin. Last Friday morning, I saw my mother besides me. When she is driving, her mother is sitting beside her. That means she is driving a car and her mother is sitting along with her. Then she explains, doze, open-mouthed, her face ashen like that of a corpse, and realized with pain. Now let us understand each and every word of these lines. Doze. Doze is a nap, or you can say a short sleep. That means the mother was in a short sleep while sitting in the car with the poet. Open mouthed. You would have seen sometimes that when you are traveling from one place to another, some people are habitual of sleeping while traveling. And in that position, you would find that their mouth is open. So, she's into the position of a short sleep. Her mouth is open. Her face ashamed like that of a corpse. And corpse is what? Corpse word is used for dead body. And her face was looking dull. Ashamed word is specially used for ash. That means greyish color. Dullness of the color, it actually tells us that the face was with dullness and she realized it with pain. What has she realized? She has realized suddenly that my mother's eyes are closed, mouth is open, her face is looking dull and grey. That means she was looking like a dead body. And this realization was very painful for the poet. I hope you can well understand it why this realization is painful, because what has she suddenly realized? Suddenly she has realized her separation from the mother, because the aging is one factor and she's at 66 years old, and that is why it was one reason she could realize this pain. That she was as old as she looked. Why she's realizing this pain, she has explained it into this line, because she was as old as she looked. That means how many years old? 66 years old. You know, when a person is moving across after 60, so we feel like that anytime anything can happen. And that is why when suddenly today the poet has seen her mother sitting with her in the position of a dead body, she realized that pain, and she say that aging is one factor for her realization. But soon put that thought away. Which thought? The painful thought which she has realized. She soon wanted to put it away. We generally does not want to carry with our bad thoughts. We want to put them away. And looked out at young trees sprinting, merry children spilling out of their homes. And how do you put your thought away? You are able to put your thought away by diverting your mind, by thinking about something else. And she has started looking out of the window of her car, where she has seen sprinting trees. Sprinting means running. You know, because she's sitting into the car and she's driving, that is why the tree seems to be running. There is a particular poetic device used into this, that is personification. I have explained you earlier also that how the poetic devices are observed. So she observed sprinting trees as the trees are running, and the merry children spilling out of their homes, and the happy children who are coming out of their homes and playing. You know, children are considered as happiness, a symbol of happiness, a symbol of energy, a symbol of youngness also. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards, but then finally they have reached to the security check. That means to a place on the airport where only the passenger would move on, and the mother has to stay back. Now the mother is standing few yards away, and the poet has to wish her goodbye. Now the rest of the poem I will explain you in my next video, children.